it's okay. Oh my god, zit we nu vast hier?
Ja, weet ik niet. Alleen.
Safari
Curaçao, man, Curaçao.
And wearing my new skater dress from the H&M for 10 euros. Like super happy with it. Yeah, good quality, nice. I like. So I'm gonna wear this with a jeans jacket. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my blue jeans jacket or my black jeans jacket. I still need to figure out. I know, too much details, but yeah, it's a vlog, you know. You can ramble and ramble and ramble, you know. And hopefully some of you will like my rambling. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get some groceries. And then I'm gonna meet up with Antipas. She's going to have her ear pierced. So I used to have like one ear piercing too, like an extra one, like in here. But when I was younger, I was like, you know, playing around with a friend, and she accidentally slapped off my piercing, so it ended up in the bushes, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna look for it, and I'm not gonna, you know, buy another piercing, because I just like, it was, for me it was too much hassle, you know, it was like irritating. And so I thought, well, never mind, I'll just let it grow close again, and then I'll just keep it to these two. So I'm curious to see yeah, how that goes nowadays, because I know way back you could go to a market and just have them, you know, like pierced, super simple. But I don't know how it goes now. So according to my sister, you can just walk up to town's market and then you can have your ear pierced. But I don't know if they still do that like that. But let's see. I'm gonna take you with me. I was just recording her. The other ear pierced, both of them. So now she has like 3 holes. And I asked her if it was painful. Wasn't that painful?
Nee, deze is een beetje gevoelig, maar het is altijd
If you
zo.
touch it, it's painful, she says.
Nee, niet pijn, maar gevoelig.
Oh, it's sensitive. Okay. I remember I had an extra piercing. Yeah, mine's just too heavy.
Oh.
I remember I had like piercings here. But yeah, I lost mine, so they're cool.
Ja, maar je wel ga ik niet hoor.
Yeah? You can still see the hole?
Was niet de andere kant dan?
Nee, deze.
Weet je zeker?
Denk het, ja.
Ik zie geen afdruk.
Oké.
Of het is gewoon geel bij jou van over.
Ja, denk ik.
Voor mij zie je nog hierboven hoor.
Yeah, it was like, oh yeah, you can still see it, yeah. But I had mine like 15 years ago.
En die van mij is ook zo iets.
Yeah, but you kept on using it.
Oh, ja.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Nice, so see you later. Hey guys, so we're on a kind of a road trip, sail road trip. We heard that the sail event was going to be in Den Helder. So yeah, we're following the signs, some boards that say like sail, marine day, so we're following that and just see where we end up. I don't know how that goes with the entrance or whatever. Do we need to have cards or anything? Dan gaan we maar volgens die meneer hierin. Ja. Safari tour.
Curaçao, man, Curaçao.
Wow, shit.
Oh.
Oh my god. Nou ja, ik denk dat het wel gratis is, want het is niet zo druk, denk ik dan. Oké, die jongen gaat sneller dan ons. Kijk voor je. Oké, daar gaat iemand weg. Oeh, die jongen, die rent daar. Oeh, wat een kuilen joh. Jeetje.
Waar ging je weg dan?
Hier, ging hier uit. Hier. Zie je het? Oh shit, ja, ook net op tijd, zag je dat? En waar gaan we nu naartoe?
Ik weet het niet.
Like where? Where do we go from here now? Cars, cars, cars everywhere. Okay, let the journey begin. So far everything is
Toen hadden we verkeerd geteld. Dus die was hier zo interessant dat ze niet meer kon tellen.
We've entered military base. You see all these signs with, I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah. You see all these signs with zone X. No trespassing. So yeah, we're almost there. Hey guys, we're on a marine boat. This is so cool.
Wij zijn met olie laden, dan moet de slang doorgeblazen worden en dan kunnen we met het gele bordje aangeven.
En dan groen?
Groen is als we kunnen beginnen met pompen of stoppen met pompen, kunnen we dat op verschillende seinen aangeven.
Oké, en waar geef je dat dan aan?
Ja, hoe dan? Ja. Er staat iemand daarboven.
Oh wow.
Die staat met die borden. Oh. En
zullen we erboven?
Het zijn aan wat... Oh, zo.
Cool.
Oké. Maar dat is van afstand te zien dus? Ja, er zit ongeveer 40, 50 meter tussen de schepen. Oh ja. Dus dat is goed te zien. En in het donker doen we met lichten.
Oh ja. Even kijken. Oh ja, hier zie je die hand, die signalen.
Of niet?
Oh, voorzichtig.
Nee,
ja, dat is oké.
Nee, dat klopt, die hebben we niet.
Oké.
Dan, als je die nodig hebt en je hebt... Zal ik horen dan?
Dan wijzen we, zeg maar, dit is zeg maar voor afkant voor de helikopter en dit is die solvol gewoon voor het schip. Dan wijzen we met het witte lampje naar het positiebord dat we naar boven hebben hangen.
Ja.
En dan wijzen we naar het positiebord en dan zullen we met de groen aanvang pompen geven.
Oké.
Dus dan weten ze dat we die bedoelen.
Ja.
Oké, cool. Nou, dan weten we dat ook weer als we op zee zijn. Dan komen jullie tegen. Guys, look at this view here. Do you see that behind me? All these boats. How cool. Zie je, komen echt die torpedo's.
Daar ook.
Oh.
Dat kan ook rijden.
We're in one of their bathrooms. How cool. They have like a desk to sit on. They have like their beds. They don't seem like super comfortable. They're not made for the tallest people. What else? You have a shower in here, a very small shower, small sink, and their closet. So we just had like a tool tour in the boat. We couldn't like film everything because that wasn't allowed, but I had a glimpse in their torpedo room. Oh my god. They were so big and I thought it was a pity that I wasn't allowed to film it, but it's like super cool. So you guys, sorry I couldn't film that. But yeah, now we're heading off to some other boats to see trouwens, ik kom met de thee gewoon.
Ja, zeker.
Oh, dit is niet zo stevig. Even erachter. Heb je hem vast? Heb je hem vast?
Ja, bij de dag nog.
Ja. Ik denk het niet.
Ja?
Ja.
Moet ik tillen?
Ja. Zij. Ja. Thank you. So guys, there is a place called Texas, if I'm correct, or Texel, if I'm correct, or something. No, look, kijk, goed kijken aan, daar. Niet dit, maar daar. Zie je dat? Ja, like, zie je dat? Okay. Guys, it's like super awesome here. I know, I'm super excited, but this is like some kind of defense boat, like a weapon boat. So you have like all kinds of shooting machines on this boat. Let's show you guys. We're going to walk up there. Oh wow, you even have like this thing here. Like they're like fully equipped. Here are some of the guns. Look. And look. Cool, huh? Huh? Ja, het lijkt me wel een kleine lijst, hè? Ja. Het zal toch niet door mij komen, hè? Dat ik met die...
Ja, jij kan niet versnellen.
Nee, maar dat ik zo onveilig op die brug heen ging. Oh, de crew moet er ook af?
Nee, dat is niet de crew.
Nee, daar. Kijk goed, joh. Daar, zie je dat? Dan moeten er ook af.
Nou, we zijn gelukkig... ik wil een foto met zo'n... kijken.
So guys, we just went on that boat behind me and they're having some kind of evacuation. Not sure why, but I hope it's not a bomb or something. Because we just left that boat and now we're like just seeing all these cops and people there. So, what's going on? Okay, this is like looking super scary. I just like literally got off that boat and the police is holding some kind of evacuation on that boat and my sister is asking, yeah, and my sister is asking them, hey, what's going on, and they don't want to tell her. So this is like scary. God bless. And we were just making jokes on, you know, what to do for me if there was an emergency. So thank God I just got off that boat. What? My sister's getting nervous. Oh my God, there's an emergency here. They're forcing me to go on the other side. This is scary. What's going on? Oh my God, wat is er aan de hand? Oh my God, zitten we nu vast hier?
Ja, weet ik niet.
Oh. Vertelt niemand wat er aan de hand is. Do you know what's going on?
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, what is going on?
What is emergency or?
Ja, ik zal wel.
No? Oké. Ja, maar we worden toch... Ze willen niks. Ja. Oh ja?
Ja, nee, is duidelijk.
Precies. Hè? We snappen het. Oh. So the only information we have is that it's a police situation and we're stuck here.
Dus vanuit is vanwege voorzorgsmaatregelen. We hebben een pakketje gevonden waarvan we zeker willen weten dat alles in orde is. Maar omdat er zoveel mensen zijn, hebben we voorzorgsmaatregelen.
Ludziemy pojechać.
Ik ga hem laten filmen. Nice! Sarahjm Russian boy, huh? Thank you! Oh, wacht. Thank you!
So that's like super beautiful, this ship. This is, if I'm correct, like a Russian ship.
Yeah, oh.
A Russian ship, and they have like a small little chapel in there, an Orthodox church or chapel. So this is a place where you can, you know, have your prayers and stuff. So yeah, I just showed you guys. Hey guys, it was a super fun day. We came across like very friendly people. Brain freeze. Marine guys were super helpful. It was just hilarious. Yeah, these Marines, you could clearly see these guys like had a mission, you know, is to serve humanity. So I had nothing to complain about getting on stuff or trying to get on stuff because they were super helpful, you know, lifting me, giving me a push, you know, holding my crutches. You know, they were kind of like very like persistent on helping me, even when I was saying like it isn't necessary. No. Because I always feel so awkward, but oh, true gentlemen, serious. Yeah, wow. Yeah, some men could take some lesson. But yeah, so
gaan we binnen eten?
Ja, zullen we binnen eten? Of niet?
Ja.
Okay. So yeah, wonderful. You know, if ladies, if you're looking for a gentleman, that is the place, right? We'll see. When I talk about manners and politeness, I'm over, you know, I'm too high maintenance, yeah. But today we've been shown that it exists.
Military, Sarah.
Yeah, but they were super polite and like super gentleman-like, you know, holding.
Oké, Sarah, maar je hebt er toch niks mee gedaan? Mensen zeggen help. Nee hoor.
But they did help. They did help, right? They did help eventually. I said no, but they eventually did help and stuff. So.
Ja, dat is ook zo, maar ja.
Great.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.